Right, this question then, a fraction equals a half when denominator is increased by 10. So let's take our fraction to be a over b. Right, and then when the denominator is increased by 10, so a plus b plus 10, it's equal to a half. But it equals a third when decreased by 5. So that's the first piece of information here. And a over b minus 5 equals 1/3. Okay, these are the two pieces of information then. So what do we get? Well, there's more than one term here, so put a bracket around that. Yeah? Because we're going to start moving it. That's a 5 there, isn't it? So let's move that up to be there and move the 2 up to be there at the same time. So here we see that move the 2 up, 2a equals 1 lot of b plus 10, so that's just b plus 10 then. We don't need to write the bracket then. And that implies that 2a minus b, so move the b across to be with the a's, and that equals 10. Label that as 1. And what else? Well, we've got a with the 3a, when we cross multiply, equals, the b minus 5 can just be written as b minus 5 times 1, which is b minus 5, so we don't need the bracket. And that tells us then that 3a minus b equals minus 5. So there's the two equations then in two unknowns, a and b. So we can just solve them for a and b now then. Let's worry about that. So here we can just take the difference and the b's will cancel, can't we? So let's, because this is bigger, let's do 2 take 1. Gives this take that, we'll just leave a. 3a take 2a as a. Minus b take away minus b is a plus b. Minus b plus b is 0, so that's why we're doing it, because they'll disappear. Minus 5 take away the 10 is minus 15. So there's a. By one of these equations. Now let's use b, shall we? Here. By 2. Let's see what we get. Move the b over there when we write it down. Leave the 3a where it is. And move the minus 5 to come across with the a's, so it becomes plus 5. A is minus 15, so put that in. 3 times minus 15 plus 5 equals minus 45 plus 5 is minus 40. There we go. So b is minus 40, a is minus 15. So when you add 10 to this, you'll get minus 30. Minus 15 over minus 30 is a half. And when you take 5 away from it, you take away 5, you'll get minus 45, which will give you a third. Okay then, that seems alright. Good.